Every month, our most passionate jerky fans, our official taste testers, get to try something new nobody else in the world has ever tried. A brand new Jerky.com beef jerky flavor. They taste it, they vote on it, and then they decide, should it stay on the menu or disappear forever? This month's drop is something wild. Orange Liqueur Beef Jerky. Citrus meets beef with a boozy twist. It's sweet, it's savory, it's garlicky, with a little kick of ginger and chili. It's unlike anything we've ever done before. Today, you and I are gonna be making this jerky from scratch. Then I'll bring in Joey and Kenny so we can break it down together. But here's the thing, no matter what we think, the final call is up to our official taste testers. They've already claimed their exclusive Orange Liqueur Beef Jerky drop bundles. Each one comes with a commemorative drop coin and an official ballot, where they give us their feedback and cast their vote. That's what makes this program special. It's real people deciding the fate of every new flavor. And here's the thing, those coin and ballot bundles, they sell out fast. We only ever make 500 of them. But if you're watching this and there's still a few bags of jerky left, you can grab them at the link in the description before they're gone for good. And if you're wondering why this drop went so fast, well, that's because Orange Liqueur is not your typical jerky flavor. You've probably seen it before in cocktails like margaritas or sidecars. It brings that sweet citrus brightness with just a little bit of warmth from the alcohol. So we thought, what if we take that bright, boozy flavor profile and layer it onto beef? Add a little garlic, a little ginger, some chili and soy, and suddenly you've got a flavor experiment you'll only find on a Jerky.com Keep It or Kill It drop. We'll start with some brown sugar and some honey. That'll give us a little bit of sweetness and stickiness. Then some soy sauce and teriyaki. Now these give us a salty, savory backbone. Orange juice for brightness. Rice vinegar for a little bit of tang. But here's the fun part. Curacao and cognac for the boozy citrus twist. Chili garlic sauce, fresh garlic, and ginger. This is where the punch comes in. And finally, just a touch of liquid smoke. This marinade should be layered. You'll get the sweet, you'll get the savory, you'll get citrusy with a little bit of heat. Oh yeah, this smells phenomenal already. Now when it comes to slicing the meat for jerky, consistency is everything. Too thin, it'll crisp up like chips. Too thick, and you'll feel like you're chewing on leather. 1/8 to 1/4 inch is kind of the sweet spot for us. That's how you get a perfect balanced chew every single time. Now when you mix that sliced meat with your marinade, make sure every single piece gets coated. That marinade needs to hit and soak in every surface. Beat sounds. Now here's the hard part, waiting. All mixed up, you cover it up and throw it in the fridge overnight, which gives the beef time to soak up all those flavors. The citrus, the soy, the garlic, and the ginger. Tomorrow, we'll find out what this experiment really tastes like. All right, it is the next day, and this beef has been soaking for a full 24 hours. Every slice has had a chance to really soak in that orange, soy, garlic, and ginger. Now the next step is just racking it up. Make sure each piece has a little space so the air can flow evenly all the way around it. Then we're going in the jerky making machine at 158 degrees, and we'll start checking it at the 3-hour mark. From there, it's all about babysitting it until the texture's just right. Chewy, but not tough. Now it's just a waiting game. These will take hours to dry, but you know what doesn't take hours? Sharing this video. It only takes seconds, it helps our small channel grow, and if you send it to a friend who loves jerky, you're gonna be helping us out way more than you know. Thanks a million, I appreciate you. All right, it's been about 5.5 hours here at 158 degrees. This stuff's looking pretty good here. Let's kind of check the texture. You kind of want it to bend and crack, but not snap in half. See those white fibers in there? That's what you want. That's when you know you got it right. Right away, there's definitely an aroma, a citrus aroma on this. The color looks great on this. The texture looks good. Let me get all this off of these racks. We'll cut it up a little bit, and then we'll get Joey and Kenny in here and see what they think.
Yeah, I'll tell you.
All right, boys, today's flavor drop is Orange Liqueur Beef Jerky. This isn't your normal test kitchen flavor drop that we're doing today. But before we start taste testing it, let's set the stage a little bit. Alcohol-inspired flavors. People seem to love booze-flavored jerky. We have Chipotle bourbon, we have whiskey barbecue,
Red wine.
Red wine. Everybody seems to love booze-flavored jerky, and they always go over big. But this one's a little different. Instead of going with a smoky whiskey, we went with kind of a bright, citrus, orange, zesty kind of a thing. And honestly, it's not far off from like a cocktail, like old-fashioned. right, Joey? You're an old-fashioned guy?
Oh, that is my drink. Old fashioned, it's a classic. I mean, sugar, bitters, orange peel, whiskey, my personal go-to drink.
I swear you get an old-fashioned every time we go out to eat. So I thought of you.
I noticed typically the booze flavors are on the sweeter side, which I don't love, but the fact that this has some garlic, ginger, chili, stuff like that makes me excited for it.
Yeah, booze, usually you do it with something else. If it's just like straight whiskey, it just falls flat. Usually there needs to be some layers, and I think this one has all of the layers. All right, so now looking at the jerky, what are you guys noticing? What's it look like to you guys?
Well, I'd say it looks like it's got a shine to it, maybe?
Yeah, it definitely has a shine, right? Like that I think that honey kind of adds a little bit of stickiness on the surface and helps give it that sheen.
Yeah, it almost looks like candy beef, maybe. And I'll be honest, it definitely smells like orange.
It definitely has that bright kind of scent to it, doesn't it?
Yeah, I get hints of the ginger, but it's mostly masked by the sweet floral notes.
To be honest, also sticky. Very sticky.
Definitely has some surface stickiness to it. All right, enough talk. Let's give this a taste.
I think it came out swinging, but the flavor went away pretty quickly when you got into it. The topical flavor, great.
I get the ginger. I mean, the ginger's there. I don't think it's overpowering. I think it is the right amount of ginger. All right, how sweet would you guys say this is? On a scale of not sweet at all to a way too sweet, where would you put this one?
I mean, it's pretty sweet for jerky. Like, I wouldn't say it's like candy, but definitely like on the sweeter side. I'd say maybe like a mixture of beef jerky and like an orange popsicle, maybe.
I don't know that I think this is all that sweet. You think this is sweeter? Like, rank this to our sweet and spicy. As sweet or less than?
I'd say it's on par.
I think you're crazy.
Oh, you think it's sweeter than the...
No, I don't think it's as sweet. How sweet do you have it?
I think it's on par with our sweet and spicy. I'm right there with Joey. So 2 against 1, we win.
Oh, okay. Saltiness. Where'd you put it on the saltiness scale?
You know, oddly enough, I don't think it's salty at any point.
I do agree. I wish I had a pinch more salt in it.
Yeah, I can see just a little bit more saltiness. I mean, you're definitely getting it from the soy sauce, but I think it could afford a little more salt on this one. All right, spicy hot level. What are you guys picking up? Everybody senses spice a little bit different, which is amazing to me. When we see the feedback of these new flavors we drop every single month, it's crazy to me how somebody will say, this is so spicy, get rid of the spice and I'd love it. And other people say, I taste zero spice whatsoever. So where do you guys put this one?
I mean, not a lot. I feel like there's a little kick from the chili sauce. I like spicy, so I would like a little bit more spice personally, but not spicy enough for my taste, but a little kick.
Yeah, it's not obvious. You have to search for it, and to me, if you have to search for it, it's not there to begin with.
There is a little bit there, like on the back end, but it's not enough to scare most people away. And it really helps balance that flavor. Overall, you guys enjoy this one?
I enjoyed it, but I think there's more to be desired. I think we're on to something with this one.
I mean, I agree. It's bold, it's different, it's interesting. As a flavor drop, I think this one's pretty fun.
It's definitely a fun and interesting flavor for a drop, that's for sure. What do you think?
Yeah, I love the fact that we're experimenting with fruits, different flavor profiles that we've never had before.
And I know you don't object to the booze part.
Well, you know me.
Okay, before we get to the $1 million question, what types of jerky lovers do you think would love this jerky?
I'd say the adventurous type. If you like orange, if you enjoy cocktails, I mean, maybe someone that likes unique barbecue sauces, like different glazes and stuff.
Yeah, it definitely has that kind of glazed, sticky kind of feel to it.
Yeah, anything teriyaki based, anything sweet based, I think would be right in line with their expectations.
Good way to put it, can't argue with that. So here we go to the $1 million question. I need you both to cast your vote. Do we keep this flavor or do we kill it? And if you want to be the one casting the real vote on these drops that we do, sign up to be an official taste tester. It's in the description and free to join.
All right, for me, I say keep it for sure. It's bold, it's citrusy, definitely a one-of-a-kind drop.
Yeah, I'd say keep it too. It's not something that'd be on my everyday menu, but I'd give it a shot for sure.
All right, that's it then. That's our vote. What about you? Drop your vote down in the comments. Do we keep it or do we kill it? And I'll see you next time here in the jerky.com test kitchen.
I think it's my favorite sweet jerky we've done in a long time.